I just wanted to do a quick demo on my Lee Classic Turret Press and specifically the Lee Safety Prime system. Now, I purchased this in October of 2020. So previous versions, I'm not really sure about. I will say this is my first time ever reloading, and this is the first time running the Lee Safety Prime system. If you look down here in the shell holder, see how this articulates? See, that's what's actually doing the priming. And you're priming on the press and you're priming on the downstroke. Now, of course, the deprimer and shell expander, that's going to deprime on the downstroke, but we're worried about the upstroke right now. So I've got my large cup in here. Because I'm loading some 4570, and in a future video I'll show you guys my DIY tumbler that I came up with. But this is pretty easy. So you lower it down enough to where you can get a shell in there. Slide in there like so. Then I bring it all the way up, and I have a hole in mine because I don't have the factory crimp die. You could take that out if you wanted to, or if you have the turret style setup. You could leave it in there. So, this pivots right here, obviously, and it rides this arm. So all you got to do, right there, boom, primer's right in. Bring it down, slight seat pressure. Now you got to bring it back up to release the shell. That should be pretty obvious, but there you go. Another one in the box.